Are you tired of a persistent cough? Ginger and honey, a natural solution from nature. The mixture of honey and sugar has several health and beauty benefits, but it is important to use it correctly for optimal results. Here are some of the main benefits. 1. Provides energy. Honey and sugar provide a quick source of energy, especially when you need an immediate energy boost. 2. Boosts the immune system. Honey contains antioxidants and antibacterial compounds that help strengthen the immune system and support the body in fighting infections. 3. Skin care. This mixture can be used as a moisturizing mask, helping to soften and brighten the skin. In particular, honey has anti-inflammatory properties and helps keep the skin acne-free. 4. Relieves cough. Honey is a common ingredient in folk remedies for treating coughs. When combined with sugar, this mixture can help soothe a sore throat and alleviate coughing. 5. Aids digestion. Honey and sugar can support the digestive system, especially when consumed with warm water in the morning to cleanse the stomach. However, since both honey and sugar are high in sugar, consuming too much can lead to health issues such as weight gain, diabetes, or heart disease. First, we prepare a fresh ginger root, then wash it thoroughly and let it dry. Along with the ginger root, we need 300 milliliters of natural honey. After preparing all the ingredients needed for processing, we start by slicing the ginger into small pieces and placing them in a clean bowl.
Next, we will provide a quick introduction to the health benefits of ginger. Ginger is a valuable herb widely used in traditional and modern medicine for its numerous health benefits. Below are some of its main uses. 1. Supports digestion. Ginger stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, reducing bloating, indigestion, and nausea. 2. Relieves nausea. Ginger is effective in alleviating nausea caused by motion sickness, morning sickness, or post-surgery recovery. 3. Anti-inflammatory and pain relief. Compounds in ginger, such as gingerol, have anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce muscle aches, joint pain, and headaches. 4. Boosts immunity. With its warming properties, ginger enhances the immune system and helps prevent colds and flu. 5. Improves blood circulation. Ginger promotes better blood flow, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 6. Regulates blood sugar levels. Ginger may help control blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes. 7. Rich in antioxidants. Ginger is packed with antioxidants that protect the body against damage caused by free radicals. 8. Aids in weight loss. Ginger boosts metabolism, supports calorie burning, and reduces appetite. 9. Relieves cough and sore throat. With its antibacterial properties, ginger soothes the throat and alleviates persistent coughs. 10. Reduces stress. The aroma and active compounds in ginger help relax the mind and reduce stress and fatigue.
After preparing the ingredients, we proceed to condense the honey and ginger. First, turn on the stove to low heat. Next, pour the honey into a pan placed on the stove, and bring it to a boil for about 5 minutes. Add the finely chopped ginger to the pan, and stir the ginger and honey mixture thoroughly. Monitor the mixture for the next 10 minutes, stirring it regularly. Once the mixture changes to a brown color, it is ready. Turn off the heat, and let the ginger-honey mixture cool for 10 minutes.
While waiting, let's learn about the benefits of honey. Honey is a natural food rich in nutrients and offers numerous health benefits, including 1. Boosting the immune system. Honey contains antioxidants and antibacterial properties that help the body fight bacteria, viruses, and improve immunity. 2. Soothing the throat and reducing cough. Honey has soothing properties that help relieve coughs, sore throats, and cold symptoms. 3. Aiding digestion. Honey helps balance gut bacteria, soothes the stomach, and alleviates indigestion. 4. Providing energy. With its natural sugar content, honey provides a quick energy boost. 5. Improving skin health. Honey's moisturizing and antibacterial properties help heal wounds, treat acne, and make the skin soft and smooth. 6. Supporting better sleep. Honey relaxes the nervous system and enhances sleep quality when consumed before bedtime. 7. Enhancing heart health. Honey can help lower bad cholesterol, increase good cholesterol, and improve blood circulation. 8. Acting as an antioxidant. Rich in flavonoids and phenolic acids, honey protects the body from harmful free radicals. 9. Helping with weight management. Honey can support weight loss by replacing regular sugar and being consumed with warm water. 10. Reducing inflammation. Honey's anti-inflammatory properties help alleviate pain and swelling in cases of inflammation. However, honey should not be given to children under 1 year old to avoid the risk of botulism.
After waiting for 10 to 15 minutes to cool down, we take a small jar to store the mixture. It's important to wait exactly 10 to 15 minutes for it to cool down before putting the mixture in the jar. If you wait too long, the ginger and honey mixture will harden, and you'll need to heat it again to melt the mixture. Here's how to use it. Whenever you have a cough, you can take a little bit of the ginger honey mixture from the jar and suck on it at any time. The cough will disappear and it will improve your health. It's a very easy method made from natural ingredients, right? I hope you recover from your cough quickly and get rid of persistent coughing. Thank you for watching the video. Please give me a like and a subscribe to motivate me to create more helpful videos for health and make them using natural ingredients. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I will answer your queries.